Good morning, class. How are you? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, let's begin our GK class. Today, in our GK class, I'm going to take the revision of the topic nature and we're proud to be Indians. So let's begin. Students, let's begin with our first topic, nature. Students, first of all, I will just repeat the syllabus for the topic nature. Listen carefully. Textbook page number 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Now students, remember the topics which I have not covered in this revision video are equally important. Students, natural calamities, let's recognize by seeing this picture. Yes, can you recognize which natural calamities is it? It's a cyclone. Now look at the next picture. Yes. Can you tell me which one is this? Correct. It's a landslide. The next picture, students. Earthquake. Yes, it's drought. And the last picture is flood. Now, let's do this fill in the blanks. Air occupies space. We can feel air. Air contains oxygen. Air also contains carbon dioxide. Horizontal movement of the air is called wind. Trees and plants help to purify the air. Hurricane is known as tropical cyclone or tropical storm. Smoke from vehicles pollutes the air. A region without air is called vacuum. Increase of Earth's average surface temperature due to effect of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Identify me. Amazing animals. Students, which is this animal? I know you all might be knowing it. Yes, it's a llama. Now this one, electric eel. Next picture, yes. Tell me, yes, it's hyena. And this one is spider monkey. Hardwort. And the last one is porcupine. Students, please look at the picture properly. You need to see this amazing animals. Students, now let's see the reptiles. Alligator, cobra, Komodo dragon, turtle, iguana, python, chameleon, Now let's find out what we call this. So let's see. It's in the shape of picture. What is it? Yes, it's pitcher plant. It has tentacles that have drops of liquids which look like dew drops. What is it? Sundew. The next one. It has a short root and long thread like stem. This plant absorbs food from another growing green plant. Yes, it's cuscutter. The next one. It is probably the strongest plant in all. It lives in coastal deserts of southwest Africa. It gets its water mainly from sea fog. Vulvista. It's the world's largest flower. It's found in the tropical forest of Southeast Asia. Flies are attracted by its rotting aroma and then pollinate the flower. It is the parasite. What is it? Rafflesia. It traps the insects which sits on the edge of its leaf. Venus flytrap. Now let's move on to the next topic. We proud to be Indians. Students, first of all, I will just repeat the syllabus for the topic. We proud to be Indians. Listen carefully. Textbook page number 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45 and 46. Now students, remember the topics which I have not covered in this revision video are equally important. Dash is the capital of India. New Delhi. The dash of India are famous all over the world. Spices. India has a democratic form of government. The most sacred river in India is the Ganga. The biggest desert in India is the Thar. Dash, the world's third highest peak in India, Kanchenjunga. Chess was invented in India. The number 0 was invented by Aryabhatta. 4 major world religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism originated in India. Yoga is an ancient Indian practice which helps one to have a healthy body and mind. Students, which is the largest state? Yes, it's Rajasthan. Which is the largest city? Mumbai. The largest beach? Marina. The largest river? Ganga. Largest dam? Hirakund. The largest temple? It's Sri Rangam. The largest church? See, Cathedral Church. The largest mosque? Jama Masjid. Students, let's see the national days. National Youth Day falls on 12th January. Army Day falls on 15th January. Pravasi Bharatiya Day falls on 9th January. National Science Day falls on 20th February. Martyrs Day falls on 30th January. National Security Day 4th March. National Sports Day 29 August. Teachers Day 5th September. Navy Day 4th December. And the last one is National Vaccination Day 16th March. Students, now you will see the classical dance and let's name Which classical dance is this? First see the pictures. Yes, the first one is Manipuri dance. The second one is Bharatnatyam. The next one is Bhangra. And the next one is Ghumar. Students, you can see. Now look at this picture. Now let's see. The first picture is Odissi dance. The next one is Kathak dance. The next one is Kathakali. And the last one is Kuchipudi dance. Students, look at each dance form properly. Write the name of the famous musician who plays these instruments. Yes, which is this instrument, students? Yes, it's Shehnai, and who plays it? Ustad Bismillah Khan. The next one, which is this famous instrument? Sitar, and who plays it? Pandit Ravi Shankar. The next one, tabla, who plays it? Ustad Zakir Hussain. Yes, which is this instrument, students? Yes, it's a flute, and who plays it? Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia. The next one is, which is this? Santoor, who plays it? Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma. And the last one is Sarod, who plays Ustad Amzad Ali Khan. Students, please look at the instruments properly and the famous musician who plays this instrument. Students, here I have prepared few questions with options. So let's begin. The first one, a huge body of salty water is dash. Let's see the option. Glacier, island, sea, valley. What is the correct answer, students? Yes, the correct answer is C. The next one, trees and plants help to dash the air. Let's see the option. Wind, purify, smoke, space. Yes, the correct answer is purify. The next one, dash is the smallest bird on the earth. Let's see the option. Albatross, emu, hummingbird, kiwi. Yes, the correct answer is hummingbird. The next one, the spices of India are famous all over the world. The next one, Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. Students, Bihu is the folk dance of Assam. The real name of Pandit Ravi Shankar is Robindra Shankar Chaudhary. The next one, the youngest Prime Minister of India is Rajiv Gandhi. She heads the missionary of charity, Sister Nirmala. A Jain temple is called Derasar. And the last one, dash have strong feet, curved claws and flat paws for climbing trees. Yes, it's porcupine. Students, here I have completed my today's session, and let me just read out the topics that you have in We Proud to Be Indians are page number 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 45 and 46. Students, best of luck. Read well. Thank you, kids. Stay home and stay safe.